Hasteo BJP bodol o bisiwa double digit number manwi chongmarini kwplai wngkha. Chongmarini wngkhari saklaijak na swkang Congress bodolni neta sudip barman sama tongo. BJP o bisini chongmarini double digit number manwi kwplai wngkhe bo wansuknai bo sakbai thang Thwngrwng eba politics ni bagui chugli yakhanai. Obo simiya botei bo saka CPIM by Congress thansake kaibrichi achukthai manai khanai bo saka. Phia BJP saisungno kaitham chinui te IPF te kaisa achukthai mankha. Te kaisa bukhago CPIM mankha chisa te Congress kaitham achukthai mankha. Chongmarini swkang kwplai wngnai hwnui khakawi eba wansugui Congress ni ojama sudip barman tamo saka fadi khanai nailaiwana.
It's my challenge, and let the BJP accept that challenge. Let them reach the double digit and say that, well, we have reached the double digit. It's my challenge to the BJP. Today also, a day prior to the counting, let them reach the double digit. Then I will consider myself that I am unfit for politics. Oh, we are going to touch 40 minimum.
40.
40, the alliance.
Okay.
I will not give any number to the BJP. I will say only thing that the BJP is not going to touch the double digit. That means double digit starts from 10. They'll confine themselves within 9.
BJP bodol kwplai wngma bagui tabuk sudip barman Thwngrwng ni hafarda yakarno abo srai saiman sugyakho. Phia abo sakbai thangno obo hai kwbangma kogrok sakabo. Bureau report kwthajak.